Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to install backsplash adhesive. This is the tile that I chose for our kitchen. So the first thing you want to do is use this grout and scrape away the top of your tile, the excessive cement. This will loosen up the tile, and then when you're going to be hitting with the hammer, it's going to just fall down a little bit easier. This step can be skipped though. Next, you're going to see that we put up the screwdriver to help pry the tile apart. We then took our hammer and gently began tapping at the bottom of the tile. And as you can see, the tile is falling down. And you just have to be careful because the tile is sharp, and just wear safety glasses and some gloves. Clean up as you go. Get a bag, a box, and put the tile away. It is a good idea to put some tape on top of the granite to protect the granite. Once you are done, we're going to take the repair drywall and use a spatula, and we will apply it on the wall. The point of this is to make it as smooth as possible. So when you apply your adhesive backsplash, it's going to make a complete contact with the wall and hold much better. I am also using one-handed because I'm recording the second hand, but if you're using two hands, it's going to go much quicker. So as you take this solution, apply it, and gently scrape it one direction just like that. Make a nice flow. Remove your outlets using a screwdriver, of course. Place your tile to see how it's gonna look. Take a paper towel, kind of wipe away the drywall. Take your tile finally and place it to make sure it's gonna fit. Remove the adhesive paper on the back of the tile and gently go ahead and press upon the wall a little bit. You want to align it first. The most important part of this job is aligning. You don't want to just slap it on there because you don't want to be removing it all the time. So take your time on this one. This is the most important part. Aligning the bottom, aligning the right side, making sure that all the lines from top to middle to top are all aligned. Once the bottom is aligned, I see it's aligning. I'm going to start making my way towards the middle and the top. And then just like that, move from right to left. Gently with your fingers, press down on the tile. And that will allow the adhesive in the back to start promoting the glue. And keep repeating that step. This is how our tiles turned out. It's a very easy job, takes only a couple of minutes. Anyone can do it, and it's pretty cheap to do. Thanks guys for watching, and good luck.